Oh, why is it close? Okay, now it's far away. Now I look stupid. Okay, so we back home. It is Friday, Saturday. It's Saturday because we left on Friday. So we left like right after we checked out at 11. Well, we actually went to go get something to eat, but we went to another place that was yet again not what it could have been. It was called Flying Juan's Flying Burrito, some shit like that. Anyway, we back home now. It's Saturday. I ordered some stuff from HEB for delivery so that I can, cause I wanted a cheeseburger. So I ordered some stuff so we could have a little lunchtime barbecue thing. But we cleaned up the house when we left, but I need to do a little bit more cleaning. And I still gotta unpack all that stuff over there. Still needs to be unpacked. So I'm gonna do that, and then we just started watching Top Boy 2. So we got something to watch. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then get prepared to have this little barbecue lunch. My microphone back on because it's a little bulky, so it was a little hard, and I don't have like a little travel mic, so I didn't use my mic the whole time we was in New Orleans while I was vlogging. I don't know what that footage is gonna sound like. I have no idea, but hopefully it's good. But let me show y'all, because I'm about to clean up the kitchen, and then I'm gonna bring out some drinks because we got, okay, I don't like that, because we got some Casamigos, boom. So I'm about to yeah, I'm about to pour up some drinks and stuff and wash. We had like a few dishes in the sink, little cups and stuff. I'm gonna wash that and put it away. But look what I got. So I got this cute little turtle shot glass from the Audubon Aquarium. How cute. And then we got this one from like a little liquor store, corner store thing. When we was out at that little chicken place, there was like that little purple chicken place. It was like a little store next to that where Dan went and got that. But then I got this one as well from the Audubon Aquarium. It's just clear. And yeah, those are the shot glass. Oh wait, no, that's it. I think we only got 3. And then I got me another coffee cup because y'all know I'll be drinking my Keurig now. Look, I got me a little coffee cup. How cute is this? They had a couple of them. I was like, oh, this is cute. But in the end, I stuck with the big dog. You know, very cute. Little, what color is this? Green. Little green Audubon Aquarium, New Orleans little cup. So yeah, let me get in this kitchen, straighten this kitchen up for the barbecue. Quarter. Yep. Why? I don't even know where Dan went, first of all. Why he come back with this? Voodoo, little slushy, and some Nola slushy. He really acting different. Let me see what's in here. There's like a little slushy place up the street from our house that all of our neighbors and stuff be going to, and they be like posting it on the neighborhood Facebook page. And I don't think we've ever been there. I don't think we've ever been there now I think about it, but let me see. Okay, this is what the Voodoo looking like. Little swirl. I don't know what kind of liquor he put in here. Or I don't know if you can choose the liquor. Whoa. I'm gonna tell you right now, that's stronger than any other one. I got one from Fat Tuesday, and I got one, you know, the little slushy to-go cups. Or not to-go cups, but like the, you know, the big talls. I got one from Fat Tuesday in the mall, and I got another one from, I don't know where. I added a shot of Hennessy. I added an extra shot of whatever cheap-ass liquor was in the first one, and then the second time I went, I added a shot of Hennessy. I don't know what liquor he put in here, but it's kind of strong. But it's good, though. It's very good. Let me taste this Nola one. The Nola one is good as fuck. It's a lot better. It's a lot better than the voodoo one. Hold on. No. You cannot have that. Come on. What? Hold on, y'all. She always want something what I got. I'm gonna drink this Nola one because this shit is good. I don't know what's in here. But it's hitting. I'm gonna put this voodoo one in the freezer. Yeah. I'm gonna put that voodoo one in the freezer for right now. Hopefully this hold on tip over. And then I think I want to smoke this cheese, and it shouldn't take long to do it, to make like some smoked excuse me, oh, it's bright outside. No sir, some smoked you know, like a little smoked queso. Shouldn't take too long to do it, but y'all know I don't be knowing what the fuck I'm doing. Hold on. Okay, I got a little, how many ounces is this? 8-ounce thing of Velveeta, and then I got this queso blanco from HEB. It's literally already like the queso blanco already made. But I'm gonna add some tomatoes and stuff to it anyway. So this is a 16-ounce block. They only have 16 ounces. And then I got some Rotel tomatoes. I'm just making a quick little cheese dip so I can have like a little appetizer thing to eat real quick. Alexa, how long do you leave smoked queso in a smoker?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, queso is smoked for 1.5 to 2 hours at a 200-degree setting in a smoker. Was that helpful?
Yeah, a little bit.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style.
Looks like this. Now I'm just literally gonna throw this in the smoker like this and hope it doesn't take forever to melt down. And then we're gonna have them with some tortilla chips. Appetizer number 1. Appetizer number 2 is gonna be this watermelon. I just washed it off in the sink with some of this fruit wash or veggie wash, whatever the heck. I just sprayed a little bit of it on the outside and then just scrubbed it down with like my little scrubber. And I'm just gonna slice this up. Queso is done. It's hot though, so I ain't gonna try it. Hold on. It's good. You wanna taste it? Grass-fed and finished. Grass-fed and finished burgers.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever since how we play. Sit right
crispy jalapenos for salad. Organic croutons, Caesar. I don't really know what makes croutons unorganic. It's just bread, but whatever. Delish. Let me show y'all what Daniel got going on the grill. Ooh. Jalapeno peppers in the back. Oh, y'all can see it's dark in there. Those are my favorite. You going back outside? Where's your other shoes at? Where's your other shoes? Okay, baby. Nola daiquiri. That's not from Nola. Organics Caesar dressing. H-E-B though. Throw. I need one of them little salad spinners. I'm gonna add a little bit more Caesar because I love my salad dressed up. I forgot the Parmesan cheese. Hell no. Dump it back in. Bitch, you can't have no Caesar salad without no Parmesan cheese. The fuck? There we go. Shaved Parmesan cheese. Wow, I was really about to just call it what it was. Now we could plate it back up because what was that? What was I doing? And now we got all the goodness down here, the croutons and the cheese and the bacon to throw on top. There's like 3 of these goddamn bread and butter pickles left. And I love them. So that's unfortunate. These are just regular hamburger slices, but I'm about to make some more zesty bread and butters. So we got some regular hamburger pickles, but I'm gonna throw some in the bread and butter pickle jar and see if we can make some more. And I thought there's one more thing I needed for these burgers. Oh, slice up some of these hot peppers, hot chili peppers for the hot dog. I wanted them to be a little bit smaller, but look at that. Get you a grill master. Cheeseburgers, bacon wrapped jalapenos with cream cheese in it. Love those. And some hot dogs with our little salad and then our little fixie.